Hi, and welcome to the society.
Hey, yeah, we should come together. Let's be heroes in the night. Like spotlights beaming in the black sky. We can lift the darkness with our light. 'Cause everybody's in harmony.
Together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now,
Everybody's in harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now.
We should come together. Let's be heroes in the night. Like spotlights beaming in the black sky. We can lift the darkness with our light. 'Cause everybody's in harmony.
Together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now,
Everybody's in harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
all together now,
Harmony.
together now. In harmony.
I am Jackson. I'll be your host. So isn't this something nice to look at for a friend? Yep. Yep, it is, buddy. What was that? It's probably just a...
You know that doesn't wash out.
I just know he's gonna jump out somewhere.
Ugh, now what?
Afternoon, milady. Where have you been?
Okay.
Where have you been?
Well, that's a good question. It's a very long story. So, your hiccup is his best friend that he wouldn't even shut up about, huh? Well, I don't see the appeal. Anyway, what do you do for a living? Not a talker, huh? Well, I always never talk all the time at some points, yeah. So what do you want to do? Probably do nothing, I guess. By the way, why did you come here to help me and Horton to solve this case? Like, in any sort of way. It's because, Hiccup, when I came from town, our townsfolk have been how can I say this? Have been experiencing strange illnesses and very, very harmful diseases that came from an unknown origin. We couldn't figure out where it came from. But one of the residents did say that his friend was murdered. By what? Him. Why? Well, you see, Hiccup, when he murdered him because there was something wrong about him. Who's him? One of the townsfolk. They didn't figure out who his name was or what his ID was, but his friend, who was killed by, told everyone, "Hey bro, come hear this," that there was some sort of strange anomaly going on with this disease that's going on. Because it makes people be paranoid or something. They're scared about it. Scared about what? That's the thing, Hiccup. We don't know. However, there were some sightings of a strange anomalous humanoid creature that no one can't pronounce who it is or what its origins came from, but the similarities of those creatures being somewhat related to the people that were infected during the town. What do you think she's trying to say? Resemble the ones that were infected. Me either. In what way? Well, it's because some of the townsfolk have transformed.
This is all way
into
too
some sort of
familiar in a
creatures.
sort of sense.
We now pronounce them
What?
as the things. The things. What name of the type of the creature is? That's the thing. We call them the things because we can't figure out what they are, who they are, or... Hey, does anyone notice the strange fire going over there with the smoke? What the heck? What? Horton's right. There is some smoke over there. Do you think it might be one of those things that we just found in the forest? Wait, you guys encountered one too? Yeah, but we had to obliterate him. We had to terminate him immediately at that time. Why? Because he might be a constant threat. Oh, I see. Anyway, we need to go over there and see if anyone survived or died. We need to find some answers. Come on. All right, Horton, would you like to go on Toothless? Though I can't hang on to him because I might be heavy, but I can most likely hang on to one of his legs. What's with that face? He thinks that you can't ride on him. Really?